Do you know what? I tried so hard to have this looking beautiful for you, and it doesn't really, does it? Now remember, we need take remainders for these. So 64 into, you see, we could just do a fraction method, but because it's not going in exact, I'm not convinced that's going to be very helpful. In fact, it wouldn't be. So let's just work this one through, shall we? 64 times 1 is that, 64 times 10 is that, so half that would be 64 times 5, should be 320. So should we try 60? You see, 64, 60 times 3 would be 180. Yeah, I think we might just be able to do 4 with it. So off we go. Let's do, I could have used that 64, couldn't I? 64 times, what are we going to do? 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 times 4, we've just, no we haven't. Or maybe we have. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Yeah, we had gone over our limit. So it's going to be 3, isn't it? So let's do 64 times 3. See what we've got. Times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18, and 1 is 19. So that would be 192. Now we can work out our remainders. I'm a bit of a fan of doing this remainders. I was rather worried about it. Remainder 55? Gosh, that's a lot, isn't it? Seems like a big remainder. Let's have a look. If in doubt, get out the answers. Yeah, remainder 55. Now let's have a look at this one. We'll get ourselves a nice sort of, that's a sort of aquamarine blue. 46 into 40. 46 and 46 would be 92. 14 40 is 80. 6 and 6 is 12. So 80 12 is 92. So alas, it only goes in once. 46. 1, 4. Bring down the 7. Oh, surely that's got to be 9. Should we try it? 46 times 9. Never be afraid of lots of workings, it's absolutely fine. 6 times 9 is 54. 4 times 9 is 36, and 5 is 41. So that would go in 9 times. So 41 would give us remainder 3, wouldn't it? Remainder 3. Let's check our answers. See, I got it right. We did. Now let's do the next one. We'll give ourselves a vibrant pink, shall we? 45 and 45 is 90. So that goes in once. 45. 5 and 5 is 0. 7 take away 4 is 3. Bring down the 6. Ooh, what do you fancy? I think it's going to be about, well, if 92 is 90, come on, let's work this one out. Right, so that's 1. I'm going to go for a thinner brush. I think it feels better with a thinner brush. So 2 would be 90. Add those up. 135 makes 3, and then double that would make 180. So that's 4, isn't it? That plus that would make 5. Actually, 450 is times 10, so we'll halve that. That'd be 225. You sure about that? That makes 5. Let's have another colour. How are we doing on our... we wanted it to be in there. We can go up for 6, can't we? Let's try 6. So we're going to add 1 and 5. So 5 and 5 makes 10. Carry the 1. 4 and 2 makes 6, and 1 makes 7. 270 makes 6. How are we doing on our... Let's just add 45 in case. So 5 and 0 is 5. 4 and 7 is 11. Carry the 1. 315. Yeah, so that went a bit over. So it's going to be 6 in there. And then that gets us to 270, doesn't it? 270. 6, 2, 10, 3. So 16, remainder 36. Shall we see if that's right? Oh, we're cooking on gas tonight, aren't we? See what I mean, this seems very cumbersome, but it's not the end of the world, is it? There are bad things in the world. Doing a few workings on your maths is not one of them. Right, now let's have a look. Ooh, we've just got to work this one up. 98 into... But 98 is almost 100, isn't it? It's got to be 2. Because 100 and 100 would be 200. 98 and 98 is almost that. Now, I don't know about you, but my brain's feeling a bit clunky. So 8 and 8 makes 16. Carry the 1. 9 and 9 is 18. And 1 is 19. So that makes 196. Let's see what our remainders are. That becomes 9. 15. 15 take away 6 is 9. 9 take away 9, nothing. So it is remainder 9. Shall we check our answers in case I've led you up the garden path? 64 into 67. Oh, I like that one. That's good, isn't it? It goes in once. 64, remainder 3. Bring down the 1. 64 into that goes, goes in nothing, does it? It does not go in. So it's remainder 31 because they've got 31 left. Yes, we agree with the answers. And now it all went wrong with this one. And hopefully we won't have to rub anything out, because for some reason this text, even though it's rasterized, now I've no idea what that means, it's not going to this will rub out a bit. So 96, we've just got to work this one out, I think, because it's not going to be radically different, because that's almost 100, isn't it? So 100, 200, 300, 400. It could even be 5, couldn't it? Let's go. 96 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 3 is 48. Get in there. So 5 times 480. 1. And so remainder 13. Yeah, I'm enjoying doing these remainders. I was when I first saw it, oh no! But it's easier than doing decimals, isn't it? Don't tell anybody I said that. Thank you for seeing it through to the end. Most don't, they really don't. So give yourself a brownie point. Bye bye.